Hi, grade two. Uh, Today it will be a review on your Discover book, theme 4, the first chapter in this theme. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Grade 2, I know that the Discover is out of total. Okay, we know all this, but we must study. Why? Because later we will take science in grade 4. So this syllabus is benefit for us for this for preparing for this subject. So we must study to know more about it. Okay, and we all know that it's out of total, but we don't this means don't this means don't study it. It's wrong. Okay, we must study it and keep it as English and as English of English and Connect Plus. Discover is important as English and Contact Plus. So we can't neglect it or omit it from your topics. Okay, we must study. Okay, today I will go to the theme 4, the theme 4 chapter 1. Let's go to our chapter today. Today's chapter 1 is about communicating in a community. Okay, so here I talk about the communicating. So I start the first lesson by mailing a letter. All of us know the mails, and all of us use the mails to send messages to each other. I think now we have many ways that we send messages like WhatsApp, like WhatsApp, Telegram, and so on, and emails. Now the communication is we have the variety of communication in our life. Okay, we can send a text in different ways. Okay, so let's answer the first question. The first question is put right or wrong. We can communicate. Communicate means connected with my friends via mail, whether regular or electronic. So the answer here, it will be true. The next one, we don't need to stick a stamp on the envelope. I think this is in the past. Yeah, we can't. If we don't put the stamp, we can't know where did this envelope go to. So we must put the stamp on the envelope. So I think that when we in the past, our parents, when we can send letters in the envelope, they put the stamp on the envelope. It's important to do so. Okay, but now we have emails, we have emails, we have WhatsApp, we have Telegrams, we have different kinds of messages. So now the writing letters on the and send it by the envelope, I think now is really that we do so. Okay, we don't need to stick a stamp on the envelope. Here it will be false. We need to write the address on the envelope. Yes, true. In the past, when we send a letter, we write the address on the envelope to be sure that this message sent to the one who sent it to him or her. We can communicate with friends via email too. My messages are easily misunderstood. Here it will be true. It's easily misunderstood. No, it's here it will be false because my messages are easily misunderstood. I think false. Understood. I think understood, not misunderstood. It will be here understood. It will be here false. This it will be here false. I take funny pictures to my friend and posted them online. It's it's false. This called what? Called bullying, as we know. This called bullying. Okay, and this is a big behavior. If we do it for your with your friends can talk with you another time. Okay, I can communicate with strangers. It's false. Okay, bullying. This is called bullying. Okay, let's go to another one. We need to pass here to pass on to paste space on the envelope when sending regular mail. Postage, stamp, your photo, your coin. As we will send the message, you can post your photo on the envelope, wrong postage stamp. We need to write space on the envelope address. we need to write space in the email message, email address. So when we go to the Gmail or Gmail, we have Gmail, and in the past we have Hotmail. I think Hotmail is not now I think now the famous email, it will be Gmail. Now I think there isn't Hotmail today. I think really anyone use it. Okay, so when we use the email, we have from from you to the one who sent it, and then write the topic that you want to send this email for. Here we say we need to write a space in the email message, email address. If a stranger asks for my address on the phone, what do? Don't answer him until my parents. Okay, let's go to another question here, which is verbal and non-verbal communication. Means the action works, the actions that we do or actions can't do when you communicate with each other. Communication between friends is done through words only? No. Communication done by what? By emotions, by faces, by not the words. Okay. When you are unpleasant from someone, these emotions can be on your face. Okay, so this is not by words only, by what? By the emotions of your face, by the emotions of your action. All these expressing happiness or unhappiness from expressing happiness or unhappiness from this person. Okay, you can express feelings through non-verbal communication. Yes. Let's go to picture 2, which is multiple choice. A child who can't speak communicates by what? By non-verbal. Means that if the child needs something, they can cry, for example. So he's non-verbal. Okay. This face expressing happiness. This face expressing rejection. Okay. This face expressing anger. This face expressing sadness. Okay. Today I'll stop here on chapter 1. Next class I will chapter 2 in this theme. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.